Sealing an expansion or contraction joint is carried out with our one-component sealant, FlexproofX in combination with our SX knock-in profile. No primer is required. A small tip from us: insertion is carried out in accordance with the German DIN 18540F standard. As a backfiller, our SX knock-in profile is used. The diameter of the knock-in profile should be approximately 1.5 times the joint width. The insertion depth of the sealant is approximately 50% of the joint width. Our SX knock-in profile functions as a backfiller and as a secondary seal. Smoothing with a scraper results in the FlexproofX being thoroughly pressed into the joint. The technical benefits: high elasticity coupled with high flank adhesion, no primer necessary, simple to apply. FlexproofX, a quality, high-grade product that's easy to apply.